Hello and welcome to this video. I'm so sorry about not being here with a video for the last few weeks. Jeff and I have been traveling and I wasn't able to bring any of my art supplies, and so I wasn't really sure what sort of videos to put out, but I pre-filmed a little bit of the second week of mixed media, which was all about inks, and so that is what you'll see in this video. We'll also be talking about personal aesthetic, which is part of the finding your voice process, and yeah, I'll share a little bit about that too because it was so interesting. Other than that, next week will be a break week and the week after that will be another break week, so I'll have plenty of time to catch up and I should be all back on track with videos next week. But I just really wanted to put this video out today so that you'd have something to watch. And yeah, I just want to say a big thank you for everyone for sticking around and sending me messages, and yeah, I am still on this journey, just a little bit behind right now, and yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks. So I started this week by receiving a bunch of new art supplies, which was so exciting. If you love art, I'm sure you know the joy of receiving a new box of art supplies. It was my birthday on May 7th, and so I received some money from family, and of course I spent it on art supplies, so yeah. I've been putting together my new paint racks, and that was one of the last things I was waiting for my studio to be finished. So when I come back from this trip, I promise I'll be filming a studio tour, so at some point in June there will be a new video on my channel about my studio. I know some of you have been asking for it, so I promise it'll be here really soon. This week we were exploring inks, which was really exciting. I found them a little bit difficult to work with, especially the first time, but I think the result turned out alright. I started off with just a plain drawing and I traced it with a black pen, and then over top of that I applied the inks. Looking back, I wish I hadn't put the opaque blue ink on top of the owl because I don't think it looks very good, but you know, in the end I just painted over it with acrylic, so it wasn't so bad. It was interesting to work with a new material that I had never worked with before, and I did try to pick a subject that was in the middle without a background so I could make it a little bit more abstract. I tried to push myself to use some more maybe unrealistic colors to make it a bit more colorful and to make it pop, because usually I really like the earthy colors. I love realism, and yeah, I really tried something new with this one. After the inks and the sort of protective layer that you saw me put over the paper, it was time to put on the acrylics. And then after that you'll see me put on the oils. I'm still kind of struggling with the acrylics. I am starting to like them and I've been practicing and doing some more paintings, but yeah, I think it will take me a while. So I feel like I kind of covered up the inks too much. It didn't mix very well because it's not like oils, and so I had to put quite a lot of oils over top of it again, like I did in the previous video, to kind of salvage it, but you know, it turned out alright in the end. So, as you may know, I'm currently in mixed media and voice section of the mastery program, and you start diving into your personal aesthetic. And so we had to create a board on Pinterest which reflected our personal aesthetic, or at least what we felt was our personal aesthetic. And it was an assignment to pin all of the images, photography, whatever you could find that made you really feel something and that really enticed you and that you really thought was beautiful. And so I guess this is the result of that. I felt it was interesting to share. There were plenty of other boards that we had to create, like a board of art that you would like to emulate and a board of art that you would like to live with. We were looking at personal symbols and all of that stuff, which I think is so interesting. But I just wanted to share a little bit of it. I hope you think this is as interesting as I think it is, because I had so much fun collecting all of these images that are kind of special to me in a way. I had a Pinterest for a long time before I started the mastery program, and I always really enjoyed collecting photography in that way, just like I have had folders on my phone for years with pictures that I just really love, and I've drawn a lot of inspiration from those images for my artwork that I've been creating during this course, and especially during the mixed media section, because during the first section of the mastery program the sources are provided for you, but during this last part, or not the last part, I mean the mixed media part, they are not. So it's important that you find your own sources now, or create your own sources. So the mastery program actually opens its registration window on Friday, May the 27th, which is super exciting. So if you are thinking of signing up for the mastery program, there will be a link in the description, which is an affiliate link. If you sign up through that link on Friday or anytime during the registration window when it opens, you will be able to pick a free course from their website. I was going to tell you about the free course that you would get if you sign up through the link down below, my affiliate link, but I just received an email saying that there has been some abuse of the affiliate system, and so they can't offer the free course anymore. I'm not really sure why they're doing this. I just wanted to let you know. I guess if you still want to use my link, it would solely be to support me. So if you enjoy these videos, I would still really appreciate it if you signed up through the link. But if it's too much of a hassle, I totally understand, especially since you're not really getting anything in return anymore. I just, regardless, wanted to say thank you for being here, and yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I remember signing up through the link from another artist, and I got a free course at the time, and it was really exciting and really helpful to start off the mastery program having another course by them. A little sad about it, but just wanted to let you know and be transparent that you can still use the link down below. Unfortunately, it seems that you won't be receiving any free course anymore, so it would just be to support me if you'd like to. Yeah. Either way, thank you for being here, and whether you used my link or not, I'd be so happy to chat with you and to see what you'll be creating during this course, because it is truly life-changing, and yeah, I hope that you'll enjoy it just as much as I am. I can't wait to see what you'll create if you are starting the mastery program, because it's so exciting, and I truly can't say enough good things about it. I can't believe how much I've learned in just such a short amount of time, and I wouldn't change it for the world. So if you're on the fence, I 100% recommend it. In case you're wondering about the program and what the options are, I actually got a question from someone about the support system during the master program. There are 3 different options that you can pick, and they have different price points. So the first option would be $200 a month, and you just get the program. Every week there will be new classes and such. With the second option, which is $250 a month, you will be added to the Facebook group with all of the coaches in there, and you can ask as many questions as you want. You can post your work for feedback as much as you want, and you'll always get several responses from several coaches, as well as responses from other students that are taking the program, which is super exciting. And the third option is $300 a month, and you'll get a personal coach. So you get everything from the first two options plus the personal coach, and the personal coach will be available for you at any time. You can message him or her at any time with any questions you may have, and you will also have a monthly Zoom call, a one-on-one with your personal coach, and a Zoom call with some of the other students with another coach. And you will also get, I think it's quarterly, a Zoom call with other students and Ellie and Demetra, who are the teachers of the mastery program. So all of that is super exciting. There's lots of support, so don't worry if you feel like you need some extra help or just love getting feedback. There's plenty of that in this program. Yeah, all in all, I just highly recommend it. Like I said, I can't say enough good things about it. It's truly one of the best decisions I've made, probably in my life. I truly feel like I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and yeah, I'm just genuinely happy and excited, and I can't wait what the rest of the program will bring. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you for watching. I so appreciate you being here. This little community is growing, and it's really awesome to see. When I started this channel, I really just wanted to document it both for myself and for my family back in the Netherlands, so they could see what I was up to, and I wanted to be able to look back on my journey a little while from now. But I've noticed that there are a lot of mastery program students, even some random people on YouTube, I guess, are getting these videos recommended to them, and it's been amazing. I don't even know what to say. It's just been really awesome to see everyone come together, and yeah, I'm really happy that you enjoy the things that I put out there. So thank you for being here with me, and I can't wait to see you next week. And if you're signing up for the mastery program right now, because the registration will open on Friday, I wish you all the luck. And if you want to chat on Instagram or YouTube or wherever you'd like, just shoot me a message. I would love to chat with you. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.